Conversion. So we basically have two types of conversion. First one is primitive type to the wrapper class, and the second one is the wrapper class to primitive type. In the first type, we use two different ways for converting a primitive type into an object of the corresponding wrapper class. The first way is by using a constructor. As you see here in the example, we use constructor of the integer wrapper class to convert int primitive type to the integer wrapper class. So the second way is using a static method of the wrapper class. And as you see in the example, we use the value of static method of the integer class to convert the int primitive type to integer wrapper class. So the value of method returns an instance representing the specified int value. The second type, we use a way to convert wrapper class into a primitive type. So we can use the corresponding methods to get the primitive type. For example, int value, double value, short value methods. And there's some others. With Java 5, this conversion is done automatically by using autoboxing and unboxing. Let's have a look at these concepts.